Welcome back, everybody. The Tong Man here again once more. Just want to tell you guys I have this HP Slimline s7700y for about 3 years now. Bought it back in 2007, so everything still runs perfectly. Never had any issues with it. Originally I bought it because it's small and it's my living room PC, so that's why I bought it. The one bad thing about it is that it came with a sucky graphics card, which is this one right here. It's actually made by Asus, and after opening up the computer I learned that the motherboard is actually Asus, which is a very good brand of motherboard. The graphics card is also Asus, but it's the NVIDIA GeForce 6150 LE, which can't do anything. It's just a waste of space, I guess. So I upgraded to this one. It's a BFG GeForce 210. That price is actually wrong. It was only $39.99 with a $10 rebate, so basically it's 30 bucks. After the rebate. I don't know, you guys probably, it's not a very powerful card, but it's much better than this one. It comes with 512 megabytes, yeah, right there, of DDR2 dedicated. Comes with native HDMI. Here's some specs. Yeah, I already installed it onto my Slimline PC here, so I don't really want to open it back up, but it's a low profile card, and it fit perfectly because it came with one of these low profile brackets. You know, if you want to upgrade your HP Slimline, most likely you're gonna have to get one of these brackets with your upgraded graphics card. Otherwise it would not install, because here's what it came with originally, but I replaced it with the low profile bracket, and I don't really need VGA, so this just plugs right into the graphics card if you still want to run VGA. And you could just, or you have 2 slots available, you could use 2 of these. Right now I used the HDMI and the DVI connectors bracket that's installed right now. This is the extra one. In case you have an extra slot, you could still run VGA on the bottom or on the top. So that's the option that you could do, which is really cool. Overall, it's a good upgrade. For 30 bucks, you know, you get like a totally different experience from graphics performance wise, you know, from this one. So let's see, from the top of my head, my PC graphics score from Windows 7 was originally, with this card, was 3.7 for gaming graphics and desktop graphics. After I installed the GeForce 210, it went up. The desktop performance graphics only went up to 3.8, but the gaming graphics went from 3.7 to 5.5. So you could play it like a lot of good games at standard refresh rates. You know, you won't have much lag or anything. I currently am playing Halo 2 on this Slimline PC, and I don't have much lag, you know. But if you go up higher in the resolution, then it might slow down a bit. But I'm playing it at 1024 by 768 or something like that. I can't, that's probably it. But yeah, I just want to let you guys know about that. So here is my HP Pavilion Slimline s7700y PC, bought back in 2007, recently upgraded now to the GeForce 210. And thank you for watching, guys.